Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a design trend that's making waves in the interior design world: wood slats wall panels. If you're interested in interior design or looking for ways to add a stylish and modern touch to your home or office, stick around because this video is for you. Wood slats wall panels are a fantastic way to add texture, warmth, and a modern touch to your walls. They bring all the timeless elegance associated with wood, and they're incredibly versatile. Whether you're aiming for a rustic cabin feel or a sleek modern look, wood slats wall panels can be customized to fit your design aesthetic. One of the most attractive features of wood slats wall panels is their versatility. You can choose from a variety of sizes, finishes, and colors. They can be painted or stained to match your existing decor or to create a whole new aesthetic. Plus, you can choose the size and orientation of the slats themselves. Horizontal slats can create a calming and relaxing feel, while vertical slats can make a room feel taller and more spacious. And if you're eco-conscious, you'll be happy to know that wood slats wall panels are a sustainable choice. Wood is a renewable resource, and many wood panel manufacturers use environmentally responsible practices. Plus, unlike synthetic materials, wood does not emit harmful chemicals into the air, making your home or office a healthier and safer place to be. When selecting wood slats wall panels for your space, consider the type of wood, the size and thickness of your panels, and the finishes and colors. Cedar, pine, and oak are popular choices for wood slats wall panels. The size and thickness of your panels will impact the overall look and feel of your space, and the finishes and colors should complement the rest of your decor. Here are some design ideas for your wood slats wall panels. You can install your panels horizontally or vertically, depending on the effect you want to create. You can also mix wood tones and textures for a dynamic look. And why not incorporate lighting elements to highlight the texture of your panels and create a cozy atmosphere? Before installing your wood slats wall panels, ensure that the surface is even and clean. When installing your panels, ensure that there is uniform spacing between the panels and use a level to ensure that the paneling is straight. Use a high-quality adhesive to secure your panels to the wall, and once dry, use trim or caulk to cover the edges and any gaps for a seamless look. So, there you have it. With their timeless elegance, customizable design, and eco-friendly benefits, wood slats wall panels are a beautiful and versatile option for any space. If you're interested in incorporating wood slats wall panels into your space, check out our collection at Poshwood. We offer a variety of designs and customization options to suit your needs. Click the link in the description to shop now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and trends. See you in the next video.